How to change Roblox keybinds on PC. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will be teaching you how to change Roblox keybinds on PC. So now let's get started. First of all, ensure your PC is connected to the internet, then open Google Chrome. Now, go to roblox.com and log into your account. You might be logged in automatically, just enter your credentials. Once logged in, we will look for how to change the keybinds in Roblox. Changing keybinds means modifying what each key does during gameplay. On the home page, you will see a list of suggested games and games you have played recently. In the top right corner, find and click the settings icon. Now in the settings menu, you will see several options including account information, settings, privacy, billing, parental controls, and app permissions. Unfortunately, there are no keybind settings available here. From my research, it seems that the default keybinds in Roblox are fixed and cannot be changed. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.